First runner-up for the female category to be awarded by Sir Ramon Cruz. To be awarded by Sir Ramon Cruz. And then the star of the night to be awarded by Sir Arman Comploma, my eldest brother. Tonight, go to...
Den 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 den.
Wind down.
Okay, the star of the night goes to... Comsec. Ang nanalo, Comsec. Okay, so... First runner-up goes to... Regine Natividad.
Ano raw?
Miss Regine Natividad. Miss Regine Natividad. Ayan po. Regine Natividad. Sir Ramon.
Nagsiselis ako!
Ninoy yan, Ninoy dalawa, Ninoy.
Headline pa ma'am, paano pa?
Ninoy, laban!
Okay, congratulations, Miss Natividad. Okay, and the star for tonight, female category,
Nanalo na isang bound na lugaw.
go to, go to,
Lapit ka rin tayo, Nay, lapit ka rin tayo.
Juliet Betonio. Miss Juliet Betonio.
Oh, picture yung dalawa, yung nanalo, sir, yung nanalo. Ma'am, picture yung mga nanalo, ma'am.
Ayan po.
Ponte, picture! Picture, bilis!